Hey everyone, this is part 2 of a 3-part series. In this one, we're going to take a look at a 2007 Foretravel Nimbus. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jim and our channel's RVIntoRetirement. This is the second part in a 3-part series. When we were recently out at Nacogdoches, Texas, visiting the Foretravel factory, went down the road to Motorhomes of Texas, which has one of the biggest selections of Foretravels that you'll find anywhere in the United States. And they have quite knowledgeable staff and service department also. And this time we're going to take you through a Foretravel Nimbus. It is a 2007. It was listed at $159,500. So when you're looking sub 200,000s, it's a really nice coach for that kind of money. Okay, so this one's a 2007 Foretravel Nimbus.
It's got 92,000. Wow, so they've driven it.
Let's go in and take a look.
4 slide outs. That's nice.
Did you say this was a Nimbus?
Yeah, it's a Nimbus. Front TV. This is the best seat for watching. This would be my seat. That would be your seat. But they did make it where, I don't know why, is that broken?
No,
oh no, I guess it's just
a little thing.
Oh, it's something that they take in and out to kind of make it. That's actually pretty good that they did that, although it's not as good as my seat. Your seat is, I guess you'd have to pile stuff over here to make it stick. Again, propane. Stir up the stove top. Propane stovetop. So this is just one side of it.
It's nice. So what they did with the kitchen is kind of unique. So first of all, it's on the driver's side, which usually faces your neighbors. And so when you're sitting in your living room area and your kitchen area, you're looking out at your yard. So you're not losing all this space over here.
Agreed. Wow. That's interesting. I don't even know what
Big
that thing
cabinet
is
right there. That's a either a subwoofer or part of the stereo system.
I'm not sure that that's the best place to put it, but I guess that's where they put it. Ooh. Okay, hold on. All right. Let's just put that back. That needs a little work. So that was opposing slides. And then here's your RV fridge, which is on and it's nice and cool. But this is what I don't like about RV fridges, is this ice that is forming over there. This is one thing, but this ice in the fridge is not
to
fun.
alleviate the ice, you need to put a
fans.
fan on that blows over it and essentially defrost it at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Mid-bath. Decent size.
Where's the light? Here. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then opposing slides here.
2 slides in the bedroom. It does give it quite a bit of room in here
It's just
on both sides of the bed. Looks to be a queen size. Some storage. It looks like there's a leaf for the table, and then this will be your washer dryer
combo.
and some closet space over here with that deep hole in it, just like a lot of the Foretravels have. You do have a step here on this side for engine access.
And then you got your drawers here. 4 of those, and then on the sides you've got a drawer on each side, plus you've got a cabinet. A lot of them have the cabinets. We don't have it. This was a 2000.
We have windows on the side.
Yeah,
that's
we have windows, but a lot of them have the cabinets on the sides too. Oh wow, this is really quite deep.
Yeah.
This is where Jim puts all his papers and stuff that he wants to hide from me. But yeah.
Lots of wood throughout.
And then yeah, door here. I won't take it out. It's locked on the bottom, but door there, which you get double door.
I sort of like this kitchen.
Kitchen is nice. It's got again the deep, and you don't see it on a lot of these older ones. The deep cabinet, the deep countertop. So you could have your coffee and stuff over here and still use the rest of your countertop.
Yeah, you know, the one thing that we always complain about is that we're both in the kitchen at the same time. But the way this is set up, I think 2 of you can work in here
if you have
at the same time.
This is the issue.
Because you have 3 spots. You have this upper level, this level, and then over here, which even if somebody's standing near, you can approach it from this side.
Yeah, but you probably wouldn't because you have
the sink.
And I don't keep the sinks covered. One thing that I wish that Foretravel would do is put a place for all of these covers. Country Coach had that.
Yeah, some of them do. That's not it.
Listen, what I was going to say is that this is the only, and this is not as nice. These are really deep. They don't really have a lot of nice kitchen storage. This would not be good for us. Oh, look at this. So this is where that other person can work.
Yeah, it looks small, but there's actually a lot of surface area for your kitchen.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Foretravel Nimbus, let us know. We also did a 2-part series on our Foretravel Nimbus, and I'll post a link to that right up there. And if you want to see a more detailed video, we were kind of rushed for time at Motorhomes of Texas. As I said, next week we'll put out a video on an older coach. I think it was U320, 1999, and it was under $60,000, and it had a beautiful interior. It just shows you what you can do with a budget. If you have a budget of $75,000, you can pick up a $60,000 coach and put some money into it and make it look really, really nice. Thank you to all our subscribers. We appreciate you coming back on a weekly basis and hope to see you on the road soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.